My drone decided to stop following me, hover in the middle of nowhere, and confuse the heck out of these ATV riders. I bought this DJI Flip drone to level up the content on my channel, and I want to test the follow Quickshot feature because it's something I think I'll use a lot, and I want to just see what is the maximum speed I can go before the drone loses connection. So let's find out.
4, follow, 3, 2, 1.
Okay. This Flip model has 9 separate quick shots that are basically pre-programmed patterns that you don't need any controller to use. You just push the button on the drone, select the quick shot that you want, and then it does it. So today I'm testing the follow quick shot. So this is my first drone, and I need to get comfortable using it and understand its limits so that I'm not fumbling around while I'm on the road or on the trail. I need to trust and know what it's going to do. So I'm slowly increasing the speed, and I'm going to split the screen here so we can see both the drone and my dash of the bike showing the speedometer. So it's right at this point when I reach 33 kilometers that you start seeing the drone kind of slow down a little bit. It's still following me, but the distance between the drone and the bike is increasing, and as my speed increases, like now I'm at 37, and now it seems confused. It's not sure what to do until it stops right about here. I only realized a little bit later that the drone isn't following me anymore, and by this time, the ATV riders find the drone. We can see here that the first ATV rider kind of swerves out of the way, so he probably saw the drone at the last second. The second rider goes by a bit slower, so he was probably warned by his buddy. It's a good thing they didn't get hurt. So I got off the bike and I couldn't even see the drone. So I decided to turn around and go look for it. Oh jeez. Where's the friggin' drone? Did it land? Did it fly back to where we took off from? Those guys might not see it and ride right over it. Not great. Well, I guess I have some more practicing to do, but I learned that the maximum speed is somewhere between 30 and 35 kilometers, so that's a start. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.